Hey guys, I just touched down in Italy. I'm here for my birthday trip in the Amalfi Coast. So now we're headed up the mountain on our way to that area. We're staying in this small town called Maiori. It's a beachside town, cute, quaint on the eastern side of the coast. So now we're headed to the Airbnb to drop our luggage off. Unfortunately, it's around like close to 10 a.m. and our check-in isn't until 3 p.m. So what we're going to do is drop off our luggage and head to Amalfi for some lunch, and then we'll be back in time for our check-in. There was literally nowhere in sight. So I think Karen was trying to gesture to Gabby and Tracy, but literally that ship had already sailed. Even on a rainy, cloudy day, it's gorgeous. I love this. The Amalfi Duomo. Oh, look at it. Gorgeous. I should take a photo. Still getting over it. Here's the Donna Stella we've been looking for. Oh, we can't read the sign from here, but it does say Donna Stella. We're making our way up. Oh, there it is. It's Beatrice was getting kind of worried. She's like, this is way more than 500 meters.
It was the hunger kick.
But it's here. Woo, them knees. Oh, I'm about to sitting on the plane for 9 hours. Donna Stella, we're here. We made it. Yeah, it's a nice little pizzeria up the stairs in Amalfi. Did you even try the meatballs yet?
I did.
Oh. Which one are you eating?
Teddy.
Oh, the teddy. Okay.
And then the fettuccine bolognese.
Oh, you like it?
Delicious.
Nice. And then I have my lemon ravioli, which I'm about to taste right now. I'm at Andrea Pansa. I'm about to get this right here, which is the lemon delight. Out of breath once again, walking up the Amalfi Duomo. It's the church?
It's 15 minutes and it's €4.
Oh, really?
You want to do it?
You got your dessert?
I got my dessert. No, it's in the bag.
Oh,
I got my lemon delight from Andrea Pansa. Pasticceria.
We don't want to miss the ferry. It's 1:35.
It's at 2:15, right? So how long is the wait? So we get to be inside for 15 minutes?
No. We can stay there as long as we want.
Oh, it's just a 15-minute wait.
No, there's no
15
way.
minutes
We're
to get
at
through
the
the
front of
whole-
the line.
Oh.
They don't rush you out, but it'll take about 15 minutes to see everything.
Oh, to see everything?
And it's €4.
I mean, technically we're gonna be here tomorrow, so if we wanted to do it tomorrow. They would like, it looked like there was a bridge that goes straight across, but the water was... We're catching our 2:15 ferry back to Maiori. We're trying to figure out if we have time to go inside the Duomo and look around. It's €4. And it's like 1:35 right now. What y'all say? Huh?
when you guys left us in the for the ferry, you were like taking pictures. You were like, come on.
Oh, thank you. Me?
I was saying.
Thank you.
Oh, you got me. Stop. don't go too big.
Fresh my hair too. I know that ferry wind is gonna get it.
Oh, that's why it's
mess it up.
Because we were on the water.
Yep. That messes it up. Heading to the ferry. Tomorrow we can actually check out the church. Oh, you can't even see, but the water looks like it was glistening. Back in Maiori. Just got off the ferry. Travelmar Ferry right there. All right, so we finally checked into our Airbnb. Here is my room. I'm going to show you the bathroom as well, which has glass shower doors, which didn't properly work, but that's another story for another day. And we also have balcony access from this room, which is what I'm showing you right now. You can see our neighbors from across the way. And we have a little view outside, a little mountain view, a little something, 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 something. So let's exit this room, and if you go immediately to the right, you enter the dining area. You see the dining table. We have a little kitchenette, and then an extra bed out here, which is queen size, and then the second room, which has a double/queen bed, and the bathroom. Here. Oh shit! Oh my god, I didn't know. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. No. I mean, I was recording, but I didn't get you. Whoops. All right. So this is the second balcony, which can be accessed via the second room as well as the living room. And it's pretty big. Heading to dinner in Maiori. Let's go into this casual seaside bar. Oh, love hearing the waves.
Oh, they still working on the counter? Yeah. Or don't you dry their hands?
Lighting. Oh, I lost my lighting. I think it was that street light. I don't know why I don't use my damn selfie stick instead of my arm. All right, so here we are at our dinner spot. It's called Chiosco Bar es Francesco. It's a casual seaside eatery, as you can see, right by the water. Super, super casual. And the girls are like, are you sure we're in the right place? Yeah, wait, Chiosco, right? I gotta put my, yeah, Chiosco Bar es Francesco, yeah. Unless there's more than one, this is it. That's what I'm saying. It looks like super casual. Like everybody says the food, and they have really good reviews. Oops, sorry.
Lasagna bolognese, ravioli, ricotta spinaci in fresh tomato, gnocchi, tomato mozzarella, pasta with the ragu, the sausage and the sausage on top, pasta with the meatballs, and a pasta with the ragu bolognese, buffalo beef and the beef, pasta with the clams and the white sauce and the sauce, pasta with the mussel, pasta with the swordfish, and the pasta with the sea bass in the puttanesca sauce.
Lots of options. See, you see how they got
The pasta with the
Very strong limoncello's beans.
I'm telling him I can't do strong. Oh Lord.
Cheers! Happy birthday!
Oh my god, it is really good. Thank you. Oh, we do cheers. Thank you. It tastes really good. It's limoni spritz.
Limoncello spritz.
Limoncello
This
spritz.
is original. In another shop, Prosecco, colorant inside. And this is the limoncello, Prosecco, choose lemon, and the splash.
Ah, okay. Well, don't drink too fast. Anybody want to taste it? It's really good. Yeah, it's very like lemon forward too. So fucking good. Very refreshing.
Hop on the car right now. It's like freshly squeezed lemon. It has a little kick. Bubble.
It's strong.
You don't like it?
I love it.
It's good.
It's strong. I love it. I feel it now.
Listen, it's too limey. Give it one glass of this. What's it called?
I love lime. I love lemon.
Yeah, I don't like lime. I love lemon, but I don't like lime.
Yeah. It tastes like almost like a Haitian lemonade.
I know. That's making me feel nice. Sitting. Oh, we sitting at the dock of the bay, y'all. Sitting at the dock of the bay.
Salvatore, ci fai il condolo.
What do you have, Karen?
It's a ragu bolognese with sausage. It's been simmered for about 6-7 hours. Yeah, she told me that. Fresh pasta.
All right.
A little bit of grated Parmesan.
Scratch. Tracy got the clams. What? Rigatoni carbonara. Okay, rigatoni carbonara. Ooh, I want to taste that too. Okay, so this is a seafood salad. This is what we had as our appetizer to share with the group, and it was freaking amazing. It had shrimps, it had scallops, it had calamari, olives, olive oil, herbs. Just 10 out of 10 would totally recommend. What does he have there?
Color different.
Okay.
My style.
Thank you. Okay, so this was my dinner, and as you can see, it's pasta with mussels. And what he was explaining was that it's local, which means it's absolutely fresh, and it was absolutely delicious, and it was the best meal of the night. Now, this meal is Gabby's pasta with sea bass, and I don't remember how it tasted, but I don't remember her having any complaints. As a matter of fact, nobody had any complaints about the meals. They were all good. We also had cannoli for dessert, a variety, as you can see. We had some pistachio cake. I believe that was white chocolate on top. We also had tiramisu. Does this look like tiramisu? I don't remember which one's which, but we had that. We had cheesecake, a host of desserts, and they were all great.
That's not that great. I get the carbone. The rigatoni is good. Yeah, but and I think that's about it.
Wait, Carbone, isn't that the one that's Rihanna's favorite restaurant? I've been wanting to try it just cause. Let me see what's the what do you see? Oh, the rain. Oh shit! Oh shit! I feel the drops. Oh my God, lightning! Let's go. Wait, we're walking in the. Oh my God, I see the raindrops. Let's go. It's this way, guys. Oh shit, look at me. I always bring my umbrella. The time I don't bring my umbrella is when, look at this. You see? Sitting at the dock of the bay.
Priorities, okay? Priorities. This is looking like a poster.
Beatrice gotta protect the leave out. Oh shit, is that lightning? Let's go. Oh my God. Oh no. Is it this one?
We just talked about
This is not even a block either. Lightning. Sitting at the dock of the bay. Damn, this ain't even it either. We need to find a block where we need to turn. Okay, I think this is it. Coming up, we're getting rained on our first night in Italy. On the Amalfi Coast. Whew. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God, it really is coming down. All right, we gotta move it a little faster. Sitting at the dock of the bay. Now I gotta stop being cute and put on my glasses and see where we're going. Where?
This one here.
Okay. Beatrice. Muslim Beatrice. Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum salam. All right, just down this way, all right? See, you got the signs. You see the signs? So not this one, but I believe the second one. That one's Casa Della Stella. Keys. Who has the keys? Oh, this one's open, right? Yeah. Oh, we don't have to, woo! All right, why do we have 2 keys? So one's for the front door. A mess, okay? A mess. Well, Karen's leave-out is intact. She still got it. Where's Tracy?
It was worth
How's the hair looking? How's it holding up? Can we all hold in here? My God. It's gonna activate my claustrophobia. Jeez, look at this. All right, let's see. Oh, Lord. Oh, God, it's good.
The elevator.
Oh, my God.
Oh, geez. This is a real life elevator.
It's a 4-person max. Maybe we shouldn't talk until we get upstairs. To save the energy.
Wait.
Hold your breath.
Yeah, hold your
Somebody,
breath.
they're gonna kick
Is it
this
going?
These
I
don't
feel like we're moving.
Why is it not moving? Oh, shit.
Oh, we are.
Watch your step, because sometimes it's
Did we go anywhere?
Watch your step.
Yeah.
Who got the key right?
Don't get it all the way down. Watch your step.
Shit, sorry. Alright, who has keys?
I have my keys.
Okay. Let's go, Karen. Let's go.
Welcome to my crib. Italian style.
Su casa e mi casa. I don't even have my house slippers. Alright, that's it for the night. We gotta get some rest because
Part 2.
it's been a long travel day. See you, Positano.